So this week's topic is triple steps are hard. What's up, gang? It's Brian B, West Coast Swing Online, here on a new section on our YouTube channel called Frustration Fridays, where every Friday I'm going to cover a frustrating topic and hopefully give you a helpful hint that will help you progress in your dancing. But before we get started, make sure to smash the subscribe button. It's the red button in the bottom right of your screen, somewhere down here on the video. Cool. So if you are new to West Coast Swing or new to dancing in general, triple steps are hard. So what's a triple step? In 2 beats of music, I have to put 3 steps. So if we think about walking, right? If we think about walking, we'd be stepping 1 beat of music for 1 step. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. If we did it from behind, right? If I start with my left foot as the leader, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's pretty simple. But in a triple step, I have to put 2 steps in the first beat of music. So we count that 1 and 2. So in a triple step, I'd be putting 2 steps into the first beat of music, 1 and then 1 step on the second beat of music, 2. If I counted it 3 and 4, I'd have half beat, whole beat. So that's a good way to think of it, half, whole in general. So if I'm thinking about my triple steps, I can count them 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I can count them half, whole, half, whole. So here's your tip in general to master the triple step. I'm going to think about not putting all of my weight on the foot. So if I did a triple step and committed all of my weight to each step, you can see that that's a lot of work for my body, right? And even using my feet well, it's very difficult. But if I think about making partial weight changes, half, so I don't commit all of my weight, half, whole, half, whole. So if I applied that to, like, let's say a left side pass for a leader, if I walked back 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can see there's a delay in my body. So what's going to happen is 1, 2, 3, I'm making a partial weight change. Now stylistically, I can roll into that foot. There's all sorts of things that's outside of the scope of this video. We'd step into slot 4, and then for the anchor step, we'd have half. Sorry to interrupt, but if you like what you see, please take a second to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's the red button in the bottom right of the screen. And when you're done watching the video, head over to westcoastswingonline.com, enter your email, and you'll be part of our exclusive Move of the Week club. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you on the dance floor soon. From a follower's standpoint, if I did a side pass, if I stepped full weight, whole beat, half, whole. It's very marchy. So if I think about a partial weight change, whole, half. It's a half beat. I'm not going to commit all of my weight. I'm just going to partially weight change onto the foot. So in triple steps, practice thinking half, whole. Practice thinking partial weight changes on the and beats, the half beats, and hopefully that will improve your triple step in West Coast Swing. Now, if you made it this far, I hope you like what you see. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and then head to westcoastswingonline.com. You're going to get 2 awesome things there. Number 1, you're going to get a free membership to try out some of the videos on our site. Number 2, you're going to be part of our Move of the Week club. Every other week, we send out our favorite pattern tip via email. You'll also be able to converse with us over email, and we'll be happy to help you out in any way we can. Thanks, gang, and we'll see you next Friday on Frustration Fridays here at westcoastswingonline.com.